The real estate market is like an ocean that is constantly moving. Sometimes it can be calm, sometimes stable, and sometimes unpredictable. But it is not too difficult to understand the pattern. And if you want to make a wise investment, you need to understand how the real estate market works. And in this episode, we are going to discuss 3 points that can help you understand the real estate market better. My name is Trust, aka Tusabi, and you're watching AssetWise. Let's dive into it and break it down, starting with the first point, the basics of supply and demand. The market of real estate is also driven by supply and demand. Take for example a new city with 100 houses, but there are 1,000 people looking to buy. Definitely the price of property in that city will skyrocket. And if there are more properties than available buyers, the prices of the property will be lower. So the second point is the market cycle. And in real estate, the market cycle is categorized into 3 parts: the boom, the bust, and stability. So the boom is the seller's market, and in this case, the demand for properties are high, the prices are high, and property sells fast. While the bust market is the buyer's market, where prices drop and there are more properties than buyers, so people tend to buy more. Then there is the stability, and in this case it's a balanced market where supplies meet demand and prices remain stable. So let's discuss the third and the last point for this video, that is local versus national real estate. So nationally, just because prices of properties are rising in a particular city doesn't mean it is the same in other areas. Take for instance in Nigeria, if prices of properties are rising in states like Plateau, Abuja, Lagos, or Port Harcourt, it doesn't mean prices are rising in other states. Understanding the market cycle and demand supply trend helps you to make a smart investment decision. So in our next video, we're going to be exploring the key factors that affect property prices. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.